Dear trainee, I'm Yang-Su from SIG Sensor Intelligence, Sydney. Today, I will go through how to update barcode hierarchy for FedEx set. You will receive a set acceptance test document and a zip folder which contains required software and a script. Please print a hard copy of SAT and copy the zip folder into a memory stick and bring to the site. The SAT contains step-by-step instruction how to perform your task and a checklist to be ticked during your work. At the end, you will be required to obtain a signature from the site supervisor from FedEx. Let's get started. According to the SAT, the first part is a system status check. First thing is to check the system connection. Please find the cabinet which contains the SIG controller and ask for the key to open the cabinet. This time, the controller we are working on is a MS800. It looks like this. Please check the device ready is on and the system ready is on. It means the connection is good and the system is powered. So we can put a pass at the system connections and the power. To check the system communication, you will require the SOPAS engineering tool. We will do this later, so leave it for now. For the system triggering, we need the conveyor belt running to provide the increment signal, so we put this later. The next thing is to check the temp admin password. In the zip file, you will find a file called admin. If you open it up, you will see a admin, temporary admin username and a password. How to check this? We can open up a CMD command line and run as an administrator. Just put the username and password in the text file. The password varies from set to set. Please do check the text file we have provided. If the password works, you will see this command line window with an administrator at the top. If the password doesn't work, please contact Marcus as soon as possible. So we can put a pass after check temp admin password works. The next step is to disable FTP to SFTP. Inside the administrator command line window, tap SC space delete space FTP to SFTP. Inside this tap here to search, tap services. No need to run as administrator, just services. And click this description. You will see FTP to SFTP. Go back to this command line window and press enter. Okay, if it prompts success, and go back to this services window, click this icon to refresh. If you see FTP to SFTP disappeared, it means the operation is successful. So we can put a pass to this disable FTP to SFTP. The next step is to install cml2sftp. But prior to this, we need to set up the folder structure, which lies here. To do this, it is very simple. Please go to this zip folder and find the FedEx folder structure. Double click it. Once you see successful, it means the folder is already created. In C drive, SIG, you will see backup FMS backup files and images. Inside, hang on, this is already exist. What's inside? Never mind. This will be merged into this backup. The same folder name inside backup folder. Just drag it. Okay. Just drag this folder into the backup. It may take a while. Once this is done, we can put a path to the folder structure. Let's go back to install cml2sftp. Please go to backup just created and software. What you need to do is to drag this cml2sftp from the zip folder to the software folder under backup, under SIG, under C drive. Once this is done, we can put a path to install xml2sftp. The next thing is to configure the config.json inside this xml2sftp folder, which is here. Right click and open. We need to modify this file to match the specific system. We use the old FTP to SFTP as a reference. Please go to C drive, users, DDWS, and you will see this FTP to SFTP. It is a JSON file. Double click to open it. The first thing you will do is to copy the host address, port number, username, password, and the remote path to the new config.json. Currently, we got 2 servers, but this set only requires 1, so let's delete the second one. And put a host and copy the host from here to the FTP host. This FTP host debug doesn't matter. Please make sure the port number also matches username and the remote path, password. Once this is done, we need to check the listen port. Please change the first to 308 and the second forward port to 208. Please also update this CSD prefix name. We need to use a backup file as a reference. Where it is? In C drive, seek, backup, FMS backup files. You will see TCEBNE CWC01. So copy this one to here. And save this file. Please also update this CSD backup directory to match this folder name. It is called seek backup FMS backup files. So only copy the last section and replace this CSD and save. Please try to run this cml2sftp, see what happens. If you can see this version 1.0 and serving on all local IP addresses 308, it means the configuration is success. For now, let's just close this window and right-click this XML2SFTP to create a shortcut. Copy this shortcut to the desktop and double-click the shortcut on the desktop, see what if it works. The next thing is very important. Right-click the title and go to Properties. Uncheck this Quick Edit mode. And just click left button and right button. If you didn't see select appear here, it means the configuration is correct. After that, we need to add this XML to SFTP to startup. Click here again, tap here to search. Let's tap run, R-U-N. And in this new window, tap shell column startup. You will see a folder open up. Just drag this, let's make a copy. Hold the right mouse button and drag into it. Copy here. Okay, let's just restart our computer and see if the XML to SFTP auto starts. Restart. Okay, the computer is restarted. If you can see this XML to SFTP window appears with serving on all zeros 3001, it means the auto startup is configured correctly. So we can put the path over here, config.json. To do the next step, you need to install the SOPAS engineering tool. Let's just put this window to minimize it. Please do not close it. Open the zip file and go to Tools. You will see this installer for SOPAS engineering tool. Double click it. It may ask you to put admin password again. Let's just put the one from text file. Just English, okay. Next. Accept and next. Next. Please change this folder by clicking browser and go to this PC, C drive, seek backup, software, and create another folder called soul path. Soul path. Okay, select this folder. Next, install. Once the installation is done, you will see the icon appears on the desktop. Double-click it. For now, just click No, and it will automatically search the SIG system in the network. Just wait for a moment. Before doing any work, we need to save the current system backup. Just double-click each device in this list. Only double-click the first level. Those are through CAN bus. Please do not add those, otherwise it will be very slow. Just double-click those devices available through Ethernet. The most important one is MS800. Okay, let's install driver for each of the devices. Please use device upload. Because those are the same device, you only need to install one. Let's go to this. Please do not change IP address. This is normal. Install device driver for MS800. Also device upload. Okay. Also the same controller. Device upload. Okay, they are all done. Please go to the right top corner. Click this three dots and in the project save as. Please navigate to desktop and folder, unzipped folder. Here, give it a name. Please use the set name, FEDEX _ Brisbane. _ today's date, 2024, 6/13. 06/13 _ before we are doing anything. Save. And we are saved. Please go to a project save. Save again. Make a copy. Let's call it after. Save. So the following operation is doing on the after save file. Let's log in into this MS800. Log in. Please use SIG service. The password is div05, all capital, underscore, all capital services. Service, no, just the service. div05 underscore service. Okay, and double click this title bar. Please go to parameter, network, Ethernet, host interface. Not here. It is in diagnostic. Where is that? XML aux interface. There should be a protocol. Is that output putting any? This may vary from set to set. Let's see what is happening. Not defined. Okay. We need to put this online first. Otherwise, the parameter is not read from the device. Double click the title bar and go to parameter. That's it. You can see the protocol XML diagnostic SVP. Inside this one, output 02. Doesn't matter, just keep it as what it is. Go to Ethernet and host interface. Just disable this one. We need to disable the first one. Yeah, just change it to a TCP IP client. Because we are not using the FTP server on the MSC 800 anymore. Let's find where's the 208. 208. Hang on, I will find it. Please go to this RDT SVP interface. Change this 208 to 308 to match our configuration in this file. If we can see this all heartbeat is coming, it means the configuration is correct. Save and finish. Now we can put this change MSC XML diagnostic port to a 308 as pass. The next thing is required by Marcus, but not on this SAT, which is to update the barcode hierarchy script. Please make sure you are logged in as a SIG service and go to data processing and database processing. Enable this script. And you will see this database post-processing script, which is named dbpostproc.lua. Let's go back to the zip folder, which is here, barcode hierarchy. Please get the same folder name and open it. Open as Notepad. Copy everything in this file. Please make sure the version you have is at least 3.2. Control A to select all, delete, and then Control V to paste. just press this transfer script and apply. The next thing is to apply find this script folder and active script, enable script. In this folder, you will see active.lua. Also, open the active.lua. Copy everything from here. Control A, delete, Control V, and apply. In addition to this active.lua, we also need, let's see, output script. So can we drag and drop? No. We need to right click here, add script, and then navigate to the zip folder, desktop, FedEx Brisbane, barcode hierarchy, and output script. Open. Okay. Transfer and apply. Please go to this script folder and then see if they are all started. DB post script. Okay, it looks good. They are all started. Save and finish. The next thing, we need to construct the barcode. You will receive an example which is called FedEx Harlem. Double click this. Go to parameter. Data processing output format. Use this as an example. The left hand side is our Brisbane system. This is an example from Harlem. Let's go to output format number 4. Open every field. So let's see if we can copy this thing into the other surpass window. Hold the shift and use left and right to select. Selected. Control C and go to the other window. Can I paste? Is that successful? Yeah, it looks good. Because Harlem got forward, backward DIN. Let's check in Brisbane. Do we have that one? DIN, which is off. It seems we do not have a DIN. DIN equals 1 equals 0. Yeah, it is always equals 0. DIN 1 always equals 0. So we don't need to make any change. Okay, just save and finish. I think we have a backward hierarchy set up correctly. We will wait for the shift supervisor to do sanity test. Let's flip to the backend. For NTP relay, yeah, that's all test. For NTP relay, we need to come here, system, and go to enable time client, and the IP address of this computer. Let's check what it is. Let's go to CMD and use IP CONFIG to see what's the IP address. 1.11 192.168.1.111. That's the IP address of this computer. Wait, what is this? This is a reference. Just close it. Close this. We are not going to use this anymore. .1.111. Before doing this, we need to check we can ping this PC from the C controller. Let's go to Ethernet. Ping is over here. Ping target. 1.111. 111 ping target. It seems not reachable. 1.111. Ethernet 3. What is this? This is to the FedEx internal network. Let's see what is happening. Okay, I got why. Because the computer is connected through this Ethernet number 1, so we have to ping using this field instead of the bottom one. Let's try again. 1.111 ping target. Yeah, this turns green. It means the computer is reachable from the the MSC 800 controller. Let's go back to the system, and then time client. Yeah, 111. Our time zone is Brisbane. Brisbane is +10. And enable. Okay, otherwise all good. Save and finish. To test if the timer server works, we need to just uncheck this and set the controller's time to a run time. Okay, let's go to service, system status. The time should appear as a run time. And go back to system, enable the time server, and then go to system status again. If this time becomes correct, which matches the computer time, it means the configuration is successful. Save. and finish. Now we can take off this NTP relay. The next job is to set the data retention in 90 days. This is happened in package analytics. Let's go back to desktop. 6AN. Go to configuration, media server configuration, image server, and use admin. Password is 123. Login. In this, let's see where it is. Cleanup and maintenance. Which version is this PS? It looks like different. 4.3 is very old. Never mind. Let's configure this to 90 days. Before doing that, let's check, do we have enough disk space? Go to this PC. Yeah, it looks like we got plenty of spaces. This is 1 GB version. Change this to 90 days. Save. Okay, we also need to set up a data retention of the PA itself, in addition to the media server. So go to software setting, and let's see, log file setting. We need to log in as a 6 service. Okay, change this to 90 days. Okay, 30, 90. Oh, can't change to 90. Oh, keep raw data. Okay, raw data can be set to 90. Keep log. The log can only be up to 30, so never mind. Okay, it is auto saved. We can take off this data retention in 90 days. Let's add some comment. PAG. What else? PA system name and a PA system label. Let's see, do I have that instruction? What name shall we use? Yeah, here it is. For Brisbane, the PA system name should be BNE-CWCO1, and the PA system label should be Brisbane Airport CWCO1. Let's see where we can configure this. Please go back to configuration, facility configuration, and this one, we need to change this name. System name is BNE-CWCO1, and the system label is Brisbane Airport CWCO1. It may take a while to save the configuration. Because we changed the system name, we also need to change the master controller's name within this system to match the system name. Let's copy. Can I copy? Copy. And I go to here. Change this device name to BNE-CWCO1. Wait, why it is 50? Oh, let's check. Remember it is 32. Oh, 50. Oh, it is 32 on this one. Oh, yeah, just remember the wrong number. It is 50. No problem. cwc01 matches the system name. System ID is 32. Why those two are different? Let's see. Go to CAN. It is 32. Oh, not configurable. Anyway, let's save it. Normally, those two numbers should match. Okay, it is saved. In addition, because this name is changed, we need go to the path to change the name of this controller. All those three should be matched. Controller's name in PA, and the system name. All three should match. Let's go to parameter, network interface IO. From here, we need to paste BNE cwc01, save, and finish. So we can take off this PA system name. We will test in this sanity test. Okay, the next thing due is just the sanity test. The stability test. We need to ask the shift supervisor to run 100 parcels. And the long run test, we just go home and just waiting for the customer call us if anything happened. Next thing is to set up email notification on package analytics. Oh, I think it is in notification configuration. Let's add a notification system email. Notification title is let's put this in and talk about it later. To enable email notification, we need to go to this server config and the email settings. The email address is should be this one. If you can see, I will include this in a text file. At the end, please do not forget to copy those two before and after SOPAS file to your memory USB memory stick. While running the sanity test, if you can see new records coming across, it means PA has received data from the new XML to SFTP program. So we can put a path over here. For this, SFTP receives the records from a new program. We need to check with Marcus. The same CSD file backed up locally. Where's the backup? It is in this folder. C drive, SIG, backup, FMS backup files. If you can see those files with contents in it, which matches a PA. Let's say from beginning, we got a 1614, which is a first number 0 package. 1614, and the last one, it is a multi-reading, which is M, which is this one. We have 45949 and 90430. So this is a CSV file for the reading from 0 up to 6. Let's check the other one. The other one, which contains only 2 records, 910 and 92. 910. Last one seems not got a good reading because reflection. The FedEx sticker didn't got a reader correctly. So who is 92? 910. This is 910. The third last. Oh, this is without a barcode. 92 is just the volume. If you can see all those reading, all those backup file in the backup folder, so we can put a pass here.